and go. Or not. And go. And go. Go, please. Was wollte der denn? Unglaublich. So, pay attention. So, das war mal wieder ein vorbildlicher Motorradfahrer. Und nach rechts fahren wir. Ja, das war ein bisschen besser, ne? Aber bitte nicht so auf Messers Schneide fahren, ne? Also nicht so knapp. Das ist viel zu knapp. Viel zu knapp. Wir wollen rechts abbiegen, ja?
Right.
Und turn right, rechts abbiegen. Rechts abbiegen, turn right. Nicht nach links lenken. Don't move to left to start. Und pay attention. Softer brake. Please, softer brake. If you brake too strong, then crash the car in the back. Yeah? Go please. The pedestrian has preference.
Perfect. Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. You have seen the yellow blinking light, the flashlight, no? No? The pedestrian has preference. You know that, no?
Yeah.
But not make a strong brake, not a full brake, yeah?
Yeah.
Then the car crashed in the back. So now we want to go straight ahead. Straight ahead. Go please. This sign is for the situation the lamp off.
Okay.
Because it is a cross. Yeah, like this one. No? We have green and they have red. They have red, we have green.
Yeah.
Hmm? So now we turn right. No, we turn right. And pay attention for the cycles. You have seen that, no?
Yeah.
Cycles. Cycles are wandering. Cycles. Go. Not stuckly. The